To generate Semrush position tracking, start by creating an account on the Semrush website and setting up a project for your website. Position tracking in Semrush allows you to monitor your website's rankings for specific keywords over time, providing valuable insights into your search engine optimization efforts. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the position tracking tool. Click on the Setup button to create a new position tracking campaign. Enter your website's domain name and select the search engine and device you want to track, such as Google and desktop. Next, add the keywords you want to track. You can upload a list of keywords or use Semrush's keyword research tool to find relevant keywords. For your website, make sure to choose keywords that are relevant to your business and have a significant search volume. After adding your keywords, set up your competitors by entering their domain names. This will allow you to compare your website's rankings to those of your competitors. You can also set up email notifications to receive updates on your website's rankings and changes in your competitors' rankings. Once you have set up your position tracking campaign, Semrush will start collecting data on your website's rankings for the selected keywords. You can view your website's rankings and changes in rankings over time, as well as compare your rankings to those of your competitors. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, make sure to regularly review your data and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Use the insights gained from position tracking to optimize your website's content, meta tags, and other SEO elements to improve your rankings and drive more traffic to your website. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Semrush position tracking to monitor and improve your website's search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more traffic and sales to your business. Regularly monitoring your website's rankings and adjusting your SEO strategy will help you stay ahead of your competitors and achieve your online marketing goals.